안녕하세요, 여러분.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to make basic Korean sentences in just 5 minutes. If you're a beginner, this video is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Number 1. SOV structure. Korean sentences follow a subject, object, verb, structure, which is different from English's subject, verb, object, structure. Let's take a look at a simple example. I eat apples.
저는 사과를 먹어요.
Here,
저는
is the subject,
사과를
is the object,
먹어요.
is the verb. Now, you may have noticed some extra parts in the Korean sentence. Number 2. Using particles. These are called particles, and they play a crucial role in Korean grammar. Let's break them down. Subject particle. It indicates the subject of the sentence. In our example,
는
is the subject particle, so
저는
means I. Object particle. It indicates the object of the sentence. In our example,
일
is the object particle, so
사과를
means apples. Number 3. Politeness levels. The verb comes at the end of the sentence. In our example,
먹어요.
is the polite form of the verb,
먹다.
is the base form of the verb to eat. Korean has different politeness levels. For now, we'll focus on the polite form, which uses
요
at the end of the verb. This is suitable for most situations.
먹어요.
Number 4. Creating sentences. Let's create some more sentences using the SOV, structure, and particles. She reads a book.
그녀는 책을 읽어요. 그녀는 책을 읽어요.
He watches a movie.
그는 영화를 봐요. 그는 영화를 봐요.
We drink water.
우리는 물을 마셔요. 우리는 물을 마셔요.
Number 5. Adjectives and descriptive verbs. Adjectives and descriptive verbs in Korean can also function as verbs. Let's see some examples. The flower is beautiful.
꽃이 예뻐요. 꽃이 예뻐요.
The dog is big.
강아지가 커요. 강아지가 커요.
And there, you have it. You can now create basic Korean